Welcome to Dreams Cars Updates, your go-to channel for the latest insights on the hottest cars in the market. If you're passionate about automobiles and love to stay updated with the newest models, features, and prices, you're in the right place. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Today, we're talking about the highly anticipated 2025 Ford F-150. The Ford F-150 has been one of the best-selling trucks for decades, and the 2025 model is no exception. Ford has introduced several upgrades to make this truck even more powerful, efficient, and feature-packed than before. One of the key things potential buyers want to know is the price. The price of the 2025 Ford F-150 varies depending on the trim level and optional features selected. The base model, which is the XL trim, is expected to start at around $36,000. This trim offers essential features while maintaining affordability, making it a great option for those looking for a reliable and budget-friendly truck. Moving up the lineup, the XLT trim is priced slightly higher, starting at approximately $42,000. This model includes additional comfort and convenience features that enhance the overall driving experience. Many buyers prefer this trim because it offers a balance between affordability and upgraded technology. For those who want more luxury and premium features, the Lariat trim is an excellent choice. The estimated starting price for the Lariat is around $55,000. It comes with advanced technology, high-quality interior materials, and a more refined driving experience. The King Ranch trim takes things even further in terms of luxury and capability. With a starting price of approximately $65,000, this model is designed for those who want a mix of rugged performance and premium comfort. It features high-end leather upholstery, wood trim, and exclusive styling elements. For those who crave even more power and high-end features, the Platinum trim is available at around $70,000. This trim level provides top-tier luxury, cutting-edge safety features, and a stylish exterior that makes it stand out on the road. The Limited trim is the most luxurious and expensive option, with a starting price of around $85,000. It includes the most advanced technology, premium interior materials, and a powerful engine that ensures top-level performance. If you're someone who loves off-roading, Ford also offers the 2025 F-150 Raptor. The Raptor is built for adventure, with a high-performance engine, off-road suspension, and rugged styling. The starting price for the Raptor is expected to be around $78,000. For those who want the ultimate off-road experience, the Raptor R takes things to an extreme level, with an estimated price tag of $110,000. It's important to note that these prices are estimated starting points. The final cost of the 2025 Ford F-150 can vary based on optional packages, features, and dealer pricing. Customization options like upgraded wheels, technology packages, and towing enhancements can significantly impact the overall price. Another factor to consider is the availability of hybrid and electric options. The 2025 Ford F-150 Lightning, which is the all-electric version of the F-150, has also gained a lot of attention. The estimated price for the Lightning starts at around $50,000 for the base model, with higher trims reaching up to $90,000 depending on the features and battery range. Ford continues to push innovation with the F-150, ensuring that it remains a top choice for truck enthusiasts. The 2025 model comes with various engine options, including V6, V8, hybrid, and electric powertrains, allowing buyers to choose the one that best fits their needs. When it comes to performance, the 2025 F-150 offers impressive towing and payload capacities. Depending on the engine choice and configuration, the truck can tow anywhere between 8,000 and 14,000 pounds. Making it a strong contender for those who need a reliable workhorse. Inside, the cabin is designed for comfort and functionality. Ford has integrated a large touchscreen infotainment system with the latest sync technology. offering seamless connectivity with smartphones, navigation, and entertainment options. Higher trims include premium sound systems, leather seats, and advanced driver assist features to enhance safety and convenience. Safety has always been a priority for Ford, and the 2025 F-150 is packed with advanced safety features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, automatic emergency braking, and more. Whether you're using the truck for work or daily driving, these features help provide peace of mind. So, is the 2025 Ford F-150 worth the price? It ultimately depends on what you're looking for in a truck. If you need a durable and reliable pickup for work, the base XL model is a solid choice. If luxury and high-tech features are your priority, then trims like the Platinum or Limited are worth considering. For off-road enthusiasts, the Raptor is the best option for tackling rugged terrains. Let us know in the comments which trim of the 2025 Ford F-150 interests you the most. Would you go for the budget-friendly XL, the tech-packed Lariat, or the high-performance Raptor? That's all for today's video. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Dreams Cars Updates for more car news, reviews, and price updates. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.